Hive 5 Dispatch, Byte Edition. When safe assets trigger FOMO.
All right, quick confession. This week, I caught myself doing the same thing everyone does.
Let me guess, you opened the chart just to check, and 30 minutes later you were emotionally invested.
Exactly that. And the chart wasn't even crypto.
Silver?
Silver, $100, new all-time high.
That's the dangerous kind of headline. Because it doesn't feel like gambling, it feels like being responsible.
Yes, and that's how FOMO gets you. It changes costume.
It goes from degen to grown-up portfolio while using the same nervous system.
So today we're doing Hive 5 Dispatch, Byte Edition. 5 signals, but we're really talking about one thing.
How people lose discipline the moment an asset gets labeled safe. Byte 1. Silver hits $100 ATH.
Let's start with the obvious. Silver hits $100. Everyone suddenly feels late.
And late is a feeling that makes people do expensive things. Here's the trap. Metals move in cycles. They don't fix your timing problem, they punish it.
Exactly. If you buy because it's already on every screen, you're buying emotion, not value.
And the part no one says out loud, after a big downtrend, full recovery can take an entire cycle.
Often 7 to 10 years, sometimes longer.
Which means if you're buying at the top, you're not buying an asset, you're buying a waiting room.
So this goes straight into flow. Time horizon first, then position size, then execution.
Not the other way around. Byte 2. Tether reportedly holds 140 tons of gold.
And then, as if the universe wanted to add fuel, you get that other headline. Tether reportedly holds over 140 tons of gold.
This is where people go, see, gold is back. Even stablecoins are doing it. And suddenly it feels like confirmation.
But backing is not a vibe.
Say it again slower.
Backing is not a vibe. It's a structure.
Seed block, verification mode, not belief mode.
Exactly. If you hear gold reserve and your brain relaxes, pause. Ask the boring questions. Custody, audits, redemption mechanisms.
Because sounds solid is how people get emotionally leveraged. Byte 3. Binance applying for a MiCA license in Greece.
Now we shift gears. Binance applying for a MiCA license in Greece.
People will hear that and think, great, less risk.
Less platform risk.
Not less market risk.
Right. This is core block territory. It's about the rails, the rules, the entity.
And the hidden part. Regulation changes behavior. More friction, more KYC, different limits, different products.
Which is good if you're building long-term.
And annoying if you're addicted to speed. Byte 4. UBS plans crypto trading for select clients.
Then UBS, planning crypto trading for select clients.
This one is quiet, but it matters. It's not a headline for retail, it's a signal for capital.
Exactly. TradFi doesn't arrive with memes, it arrives with forms.
And the emotional shift is huge, because when a bank offers it, people stop asking, is it real, and start asking how much exposure is normal.
Flow signal again. Distribution changes demand.
But also, we need to say this. Bank access doesn't automatically mean self-custody.
Ask the hard questions. Who holds custody? Can you withdraw? What fees are hidden in spreads?
If you can't exit, you don't own exposure, you rent it. Byte 5. Bitwise registers for a Uniswap ETF.
Last one. Bitwise registers an entity connected to a potential Uniswap ETF.
And immediately, people will want to front-run the story.
Because it feels like the next wave, and people love being early.
Innovation block, which means experiment like a scientist, not like a gambler.
Small sizing, clear invalidation, and track the steps. Filing, approvals, real demand.
Not vibes, not hopes, steps. Closing, the real message this week.
So what's the real message across these 5?
FOMO is not a crypto problem, it's a nervous system problem.
And right now, precious metals are triggering it because they feel safe. But safety isn't the asset.
Safety is the process.
Structure first, exposure second.
If you want to be calm in loud markets, you need a system that stays calm when you don't.
That's Hive Block Strategy.
This is Hive 5 Dispatch, Byte Edition. Uncrypto the Crypto by Borgi Consulting. Educational content only, not financial advice. Digital assets and commodities are volatile and high risk. You are responsible for your own decisions.